Hello guys, welcome back. Today we are going to do this. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First create a new document. Width 920, height 1080, resolution 300. Select the layer. Hold Alt or Option, backspace, and before that make sure your foreground color should be black. Now create a text. Now double click on text layer and choose gradient overlay. I am using this color. You can change it from here. Angle should be 90 degree, opacity 100, and blend mode normal. Okay, now select the layer and go to filter tab and add some noise. Okay, now duplicate this layer 3 times by Ctrl or Command J. Select all 3 layers, blend mode, dissolve. Right click on the layers, again right click on the layers and merge layers. Now go to filter tab, come to blur, radial blur. Select zoom, quality best, amount 100%. Apply the effect again. Now I have the dust PNG already. Hold and drag and drop. Now Control or Command minus. Select the layer. Now Control T or Command T. Hold Alt or Option and drag. Now change blend mode to hard mix. Now press Control or Command 0. Reduce the opacity. Now select the layer and add a layer marks. Hold Ctrl or Command and click on the text layer. Choose brush tool. Foreground color should be black. Now erase the effect from the text. Now press Ctrl or Command D and reduce the opacity to 2 and double click on it and apply bevel effect. Hit OK. We are done. Thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. I'll see you in the next video.